All right, so for any of you who have bought the XReal Air glasses, you'll notice after a few months the video will start cutting out. So what that means is you'll be using them either on your phone, your Steam Deck, etc., and all of a sudden the sound cuts out or the video cuts out. Uh, I was looking around trying to find solutions for it. I thought maybe it was a software issue. I was messing with the refresh rate and the settings through the phone. I updated the glasses. I pretty much did a whole bunch of stuff, and turned out what the actual problem was is the stock USB cable that comes with the glasses. They eventually start to fray, and they will go out on you. Now, I tested this by connecting this to to a device that I had hooked up to my computer, and I was running some diagnostics on it, and every once in a while the connection would just fault out completely. And I noticed this every time I started moving it around. So again, I plugged it back to the glasses, and I would turn on like something like YouTube, etc. And every time I would just wiggle the the cable or just move it ever so slightly, video would cut out. I would lose everything, sound, audio, everything, all that, video, audio, etc. So my solution was I had to get a new USB cable, but unfortunately I couldn't find the one that XReal sells. Um, they don't have the angled cord, so I got just a temporary one from XReal. It's a USB C to C. It's made for their docking station. The cable is shorter. This is about 2.8 feet, I want to say. So what I ended up doing is I went to Amazon and I purchased an extender that Vitra, I believe they're called. They make because they also have their own AR glasses, but they have an extension cable that you can hook up to the USB cable itself, and that should give it another foot and a half or so. In total, you need about 4 feet to match the length of this one. This is a little over 4 feet. So if you want to have that same slack, that same length, then you can definitely get this and get the extension that Vitcher makes for theirs. You can find that on Amazon, super easy. Uh, I also purchased the cable itself from Rokid. Rokid also makes AR glasses as well. I went ahead and purchased them, waiting for that to come in. They have the angled design for their glasses, and it's supposed to be C to C as well. So I'm probably going to use that one as my main, and this one is just going to be my backup in case that one fails. I have something. But I just wanted to make this video because searching around it was a pain. It was a pain. I couldn't find anything. I went through so many forums. Finally, came to the determination. Okay, it's the cable. It's the cable. So let me go ahead and test the cable. And sure enough, it was the cable. And this is a known occurrence with XReal. I don't know if it's something that they're aware of as of yet, but a lot of people have been having this issue, and they're blaming their phones, they're blaming their devices. I've seen people have screenshots with XReal customer support saying, "Oh, check your device. Your device is the problem. Do this and do that," and to no avail. They couldn't figure it out, and finally, I'm seeing people reply, just replace the cable, replace the cable. And sure enough, that's it. That's exactly what it is. It's the stock cable that comes with the XReal. So I hope this helps anyone in the future who is having this issue. Yeah, just replace the cable.